Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be throwing a party and we're going to see if anyone shows up. So I just threw the party right now. By the way, I'm also going to be giving you guys a house tour. Finally! Okay, so no one's showing up. Whatever. They can stay at home. Oh, someone showed up! Someone showed up. Oh my god, is he like in a suit or something? Hey dude! I guess he's just gonna stand there. Okay, oh, someone, multiple people! Say hi to you two, my good friends. I'm Maddie. Nice to meet you. Thanks. Oh my god. Shout out to Unicorn Loves Puppies. And shout out to Sky. Here, I'll open the door for you guys. I will change your permission, roommate you. One sec. We're just gonna have like a little hangout day today. And you, I'm gonna roommate you. Change permission. Roommate. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, so we just roommated both of them. We're gonna turn some lights on. This makes my house look pretty. Okay, so we're gonna start off with entering the front door. So this is the front door. This is just like a hangout area. And then this is a door to the garage where I keep my little bikes and cars. What's your YouTube name? Bobo DIY Media. Then search that on YouTube. It will come up as colorful gaming. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go morphing into an adult real quick with a picture of a flower. Okay, so we're just gonna go into my bedroom real quick. And then we're gonna customize our character and we're gonna put it up all the way to an adult. Look at this view, okay? Sorry, guys. I needed to show you guys downstairs real quickly. I'm just gonna go right downstairs. Okay, so this is the... Oh, okay. Shout out to her. Okay, so this is just like my man area. And then over here, I have my little office area, like a warm, comforting office with a little fireplace. And then I have like a little, I really like this kitchen. Like, it's amazing. Okay, so you can say all you want if you don't like this kitchen, but like, I love this kitchen. Okay, guys, I love it. Okay. And then this is like my dining table. I'm gonna go, oh, and this is like my little music room, just a hangout area. And so, I'm just going to go to the backyard real quick, because the backyard, I'll come to you later, Sky, but the backyard is one of my favorite places. So I have some weight, like a gym equipment, can lift stuff, and you punch stuff. And then I have like a little pool and a sitting area. And then I have some tree houses. So this is what they look like. Some ringing doorbells, some privacy blinds. I have about, in almost every window of my house, I have privacy blinds. And then, so over here, I have, a pool with like a little sitting area. I don't know. I'm going to try to find something to put under here. And then, this is a different tree house, same thing. privacy blinds, doorbell. And so then I have, it's basically the same thing, but the window's on this side. And so that's basically the backyard. Oh, and I have like a little table, picnic table. Then I have some trees. And then we're back to the front of the house. And now we are going to go back inside. And I'm going to show you guys the upstairs. So on this side, I have the master bedrooms and a little secret, well, kind of secret, room over here. And then these are the children bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's just like a little, they have like a desk, a computer. And this is the only room with a computer. The rest of them have TVs in them. And then there's a bed, there's a little nightstand, and then there's a walk-in closet. And then I have over here another bedroom. This is just like a little bed, a night table, a TV, and a desk and stuff. And then this is one of my favorite closets. It's like amazing. This is actually my room. Well, I have 2 rooms in this house that are especially for me. And so then this is a restroom. I'm still in decorating mode. Like, I'm still decorating it. And then there's a bathroom downstairs that I didn't show you guys, but I'll show you soon. Oh, we already went into this bedroom. Now for the master bedrooms and the secret room. So then this is the master bedroom. This is one of my favorite, also one of my favorite rooms. So then this is the walk-in closet. Not really walk-in, it's just a closet, but like the view over here is amazing. Like, look, you can see literally the whole city from here. And then I have like a bed, a desk, 2 tables, a picture, smiley face, another picture, and then like a little mini bathroom. And then this is the other master bedroom, not with the big bed, just, not with the double bed, just a single bed. And so this one has a TV, a desk, a single bed, a night light, a desk, a carpet, and this is, okay, this is the bathroom, and then this closet has one of the best views I've ever seen. Look at this, ready? Look how amazing it looks, like, wow, like, amazing. And then this is just the closet and stuff. And so, as I told you guys, I'm still working on this house. And now for the secret room. It's outside, so you can come. I usually chill out here, as you guys saw in my morning routine. I just get out here and watch the sunset in the morning. The sunset is about to happen in an hour. So we will be back. Look how pretty that is, okay, guys? I'm glad I got this spot for my house. And so now I'm going to show you guys the downstairs bathroom. I'm thinking of making like a little lounge area, like a playroom over here. So comment down below what you think. We actually might do that right now. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to enter build mode because from over here. Oh, let me show you the bathroom real quick. I'll just do a different video with me building it. So I'll see you all. This is the bathroom. Oh my god. Okay, this is the bathroom. Again, privacy blinds in every corner, in case you're like overprotected. And so this is like a little counter, and then it says, I have a poster saying, wash your hands, brush your teeth, be tidy, don't forget to blush. Oh my god, does that say blush or lush? I don't even know. I can't really read cursive. But this is one of my favorite mirrors. It's amazing. It's like a makeup mirror. So you can do your makeup here. And you can wash your hands. And there's a perfume. A bar of soap. And a sink. And then this is a shower. And so let's go ahead and open these windows back up. And we'll go upstairs and watch the view. Because the view is amazing. So let's go ahead and go up there. It starts around 6:30 when it begins to actually be beautiful. And tell me if you want to see some windows over here. I'm thinking of making some windows. Okay, here we go. I think the sun already went up. We kind of missed it, but it's okay. And so I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.